Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Good. Just coming in to talk.
So what brings you in here today to talk about?
Just a lot of stuff that's been going on in my life. I just wanted to talk to someone. Just feeling, really anxious and nervous. I don't know why. I just needed someone to talk to. Hopefully it'll help.
Okay, so from what you're telling me, that you're really nervous and anxious and you don't know what's going on in your life. Tell me a little bit more about what you mean by not knowing what's going on in your life.
Well, I don't know. I just kind of feel like with school and stuff, I feel really stressed out. I feel like I set my goals really high for myself, and then like when I don't achieve them, then I'm really hard on myself. And with school and stuff, I feel like during a semester, I'm really good about getting my homework done and stuff, but when it comes down to studying and everything, I put it off. So then it comes right down to my grades, and then my grades are bad at the end of the semester. And just with everything else going on, I run track, and that has a lot to do with it. I'm not doing very well in track, and I don't know what to do, because I feel like I can be the best person. I'm not being the best person that I can be. But I don't know why, but I'm just stressing out, and it's coming close to finals, and things are just crashing down on me.
I can see how that could be really hard for you. Really. So what you're telling me is that you set high goals for yourself, and then you get ready to do your schoolwork and different things, and you feel like that you don't get the best grades that you want, and it doesn't work out the way that you want.
Yeah. I don't know, I feel like I have a lazy side to me that I can't get over, and I just want to get over this lazy side of me and be the best person I can be and get good grades. But then when I don't see the outcome immediately, I give up on myself. I just give up, and then and I'm paying for it at the end of the semester because I didn't do what I needed to do at the beginning, because I got discouraged. And I don't know, it's really hard, for classes and stuff, because I have to miss for track. And so I miss almost every Friday for classes, so I'm trying to make up what I missed, and it's just not the same not being there. You have to be there in class to learn. And I feel like I'm not there to learn a lot, and it has a lot to do with it. But other athletes don't seem to have a problem with it. It's just me struggling.
I can see how that could be frustrating for you to see other athletes, how they are able to do that in the classes and get the best grades possible, and you're not able to do that. How does that feel to you?
It's just discouraging. I feel like, man, I'm trying just as hard as they are, and they're getting better grades than me, and I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. I study just as hard. It's just not fair. It's I go into the tutoring center, I do all that I can to help myself, and it doesn't work, and I don't know, it's really stressful because my grades aren't up there and where I want them to be.
Yeah, really, that's hard to hear, and frustrating too, that you can't achieve the best of your ability. When you say discouraged, tell me a little bit more about that.
I don't know, it's kind of emotionally draining, and kind of puts me down, like makes me not want to try when I try and I don't see outcomes. It makes me not want to try. Like it makes me just want to give up because what's the point of trying when I just tried so hard and then nothing happened? It makes me want to give up.
So if I'm hearing you right, it's you try so hard and then you get a bad result, then it makes you not want to try, and it just every time you go in to do something or a track event, it just brings you down and it makes you kind of demotivates you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, even with track, like I go to practice, I work out just as hard as they do, and they're running faster times than me, girls that are younger than me, and it's hard because I want to be running the best of my times, and I'm not even anywhere near close to my personal records, so it's really hard to I don't know, to have the motivation to keep going when I'm getting my butt kicked.
I understand that that's a hard thing to, compare yourself to and kind of measure yourself up to somebody.
Yeah.
And not be able to get what you want in the end.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's just, I don't know, discouragement really has a big effect on me right now, and I feel like all of that, like everything that I'm not doing well just comes crashing down, and like I only look at the negative sides of things, and it's hard to keep on a positive note, positive side. So, it's easier just to think negative.
So what brings you to just think negative?
Just not when I succeed, not when I don't perform like I want to, when I set my goals to something and I don't perform to that goal or achieve that goal, then I'm hard on myself. And I know I'd like to achieve I'm one that sets my goals, and if I don't achieve them the first attempt, then I get angry, and it's really discouraging me. I'd like to achieve my goals like right there at the beginning of the first attempt.
I understand that's very difficult for you to not be able to achieve your goals.
Yeah.
Okay, then we can stop.
Was that good?